Hello, you trader nerds. How are y'all? What a day it has been. A day of nothing burger in the market. We are down 4.5% here, nearly at the closing bell, down 10.10%. And VIX is hovering around still at 13. AD, nothing. 29. We are going, up, down, up, down, up, down. We'll see if VWAP will hold here into the closing minutes. Let's look at our big green monster, baby. Look there. We know where we're going. We're going in 49.66. It's just a matter of time. Will it be tomorrow? Maybe. Or will we dive into this area of 48.63? Only time will tell. Let's see now. Let's go to the IRA account. We traded that last on the 26th. So let's see how our little IRA accounts today. But today's the 30th. God, can y'all believe we almost finished, y'all? So let's see how we're going to close this month up pretty much in this account. So we're here. That's there. Let's go here and see what our net lick is. We are at 95,718. 95,718. 5,718. Fire up the band, Rico. Well, we're moving on now. Yes. Let's get the old Greeks and ratios there. So we are at, let's see, we are at 70 deltas and 83 theta. 70, 83. Let's put it in or pop and smoke it. 70, 83. VIX still at 13. Let's see how much buying power we're using. Almost nothing. We are at 26.5. All right, so what we need to do is put on some trades, baby, because we're at 0.09. We need more theta. We're at 27.69%. The last time we put on trades should have been 3 contracts, and indeed it was. So let's put on 3 today just to load the boat up, and let's get her done. So let's go to the trade tab, and we'll go to the macros. I said we'll go to the macros, dang it. I've been teaching my college kids how to trade, and we had a class today, and it's so fun. They've all opened up Vanguard accounts. They're putting Roth IRAs. They're doing. I'm just so proud of them. I just can't tell you. I mean, one kid made her first trade today. She bought VOO, and I go, girl, do it till you're 65, and do it every time you get paid. And she was so excited. Her mom and daddy was excited. I don't know. We're just changing lives, y'all. We're just making people money. And getting them investing and engaged in their own financial future. It's just really nice. It's a lot of fun. So we'll go out to 108 days, and we'll pick something in the 5 delta here. Let's do that. Boy, options premium is not that much. Look at this. Let's do this one. Let's sell this one for $150. Oh, man. Let's see if we can sell something down here. Let's sell these 4200s. And let's do 6 of them. 6. And we want to get closer. The spreads are widening as we're getting closer to the bell. Let's see if we can get it off here. There we go. $15, baby. Let's get our put debit spread before everybody goes home. So let's see, buy where we bought and sell where we sold. So about a 25 delta or so. So let's do this. Well, 4750, 4700. And we're going to do 3 of these. And we're going to go 70, 755. Oh, wait. Got a wide ass spread there too, don't we? All right, come on. I kind of want to get filled before the markets are closed. 775. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. 775, baby. So let's put it in our spreadsheet. This is so fun. I just don't know, y'all. Let's see how our naked puts are doing first. Y'all don't want to see me record trades, do you? Let's see how our things are doing. Let's see, our good to cancel orders are 295. Woo, got a long way to go on that. Woo, 275 to 160, got a long way to go on that. 185 to 20, got a long way to head on that. Let's see how our groups are doing. And look at our naked puts. So we got some ES naked puts that are at 88%. Wow, look at us. We are up $1,215, up $10 today. That's a big position for this account. Remember, we put that trade on accident. Look at that, y'all. 98% profitable. Why would you leave it on? Why would you leave it on? Wouldn't you take it off? Look at this. We got all these at 98%, y'all. Problem is, it does take my theta out, and I do have $1.17 on that. So got 59 cents on that, 59 on that one, 83 cents. There's not a lot of theta in there either, comparatively speaking to these here. So what I'll probably do is we need to probably do those and close those tomorrow, just to kind of take them off. Let's see what we could close that for. You can close it for almost nothing, 30 cents. Let's see if we can get to 20 cents. If I can get 20 cents, I'll be happy on that. Yeah. Let's see if we can get 25. I ain't going to 30. See if we can get 25. Might as well start closing some of them. Cancel, and we are filled, baby. Wow. How about that? So we closed these. Let's see, sorry. We closed the 4 of the 3300s at 25 cents. Let's go find them. 4 3300s at 25 cents. 3300s. 3300. 4 of them. There we go. Make sure there's not any more of those. No, 4 3300s. Oh, there's 3300. Here we go. 4 3300s at, and see, it's already telling you to close it because we're under 21 days. So we close those for 25 cents. Let's see if we got enough money to go to Applebee's, baby. Today is 120 or 130, 29. Look at us, y'all. We made 109. No, sorry. We made, I don't know, number of days. Oh, 130. Sorry, 24. We were in that trade for 98 days. We made 97% profit and made $308. Now, that's how you do it, y'all. That is how you do it. You just do a trade, put one on, take one off. We put 6 on, we took 4 off. That is great. And we still got a few days in those put debit spreads too, don't we? So we still got 17 days in the put debit spreads. So probably tomorrow, what we'll spend our time doing is closing these trades and putting additional trades on. Hopefully it'll be a down day. And I hate to lose a little bit on these, but it'd be a good day to put on additional premium. All right, that is short and sweet at the close. Y'all have a good day. I will see y'all tomorrow.